app.blade inside layout. So if we come to resources, views, layouts, that's where it is, app.blade. So we're gonna search for that name and say Ctrl F infom. That's it. So we're gonna call this QR code generator, and then we head straight to the login page. Let's go and refresh just to be sure that it has changed here. Reload, and that's beautiful. QR code generator. We head straight for the login page. Let me open it here. While it's opening, we go to use auth. The login page is inside auth. Look at it, login. So it's saying infom, so we'll call it QR code, and we'll look for this QR code, and is there any other thing? I doubt. So the checkbox, okay, I doubt there is any other thing, so we'll refresh. So we're gonna change this from sign in to start session to just sign in to start session. So at the top of the form here, just sign in. Beautiful. And what else? Forgot password. We'll change this to forgot password and sign up. Simple. Instead of all the message, forgot password. It's usually a question. Then register, sign up. Okay, so what else are we working on? We'll look for the forgot password page. So let's refresh this and see whether it worked well. Perfect. So we'll go for the forgot password page, and as you can see, it's look at it, password reset. So it's gonna be QR code generator. QR code generator. I'm gonna copy this. Then as we scroll down, we see these reset password QR code generator. I think that's it. So if we refresh, really? So we're gonna come here, Ctrl F, Ctrl F, infom, info. I think we sorted it out for this page. If I reload, why is this still here? Am I working on the wrong page? Reset. Alright, so let's check on this one. We'll see the same thing. The same thing, change. And I think this sorts it out. So if we refresh here now, problem solved. So we can head back to login. So final step is to go to sign up page and change this. So the sign up is inside auth. You can already see it here, register. We change this. Go back. Change this. If we reload, it's gone. So I already have a membership. Instead of I already have a membership, we can say sign in. Down there we're gonna see it. I agree. I already have a membership. Sign in. Sign in. So that sorts it out, I believe. If we refresh one more time. So one more thing we can do is to make sure that the person cannot submit this form without filling this field. If I click on this, the form attempts to submit, which shouldn't be. So let's work on this guy. So this is it, the checkbox. You see, I agree. Cool. What we can do is to make it required. Beautiful. Then of course, if you had your terms and conditions, you can link to it from here. But at least from what we have, you can no longer submit this form without, you see, it's telling you you must check this box if proceed. Then I think we should do that for the email too, just to make sure people don't just come to test our site by just submitting form and waste our server resources. So on the email, look at the input for the email. I'm going to just add required anyway, and that's it. You can't just submit without entering an email. Alright, so thank you very much. Works well. I think we've cleaned up all the tiny little things. We can now head